Hey guys, let's see today how to check location of photos on your iPhone. Alright guys. So guys, for that just go to Photos app, just tap on it. And now because once you tap on the photo app, you can see over here at bottom library for you and the album. So just tap on the album, just go to album, recent, and here just for example, let's say I have just pick this picture and now I want to find the location of this photo on iPhone. So for that just little swipe up and you can see at the bottom, see the message is coming Sai Heritage Village. That means this photo, yeah, you can see over here in city, because that photo that taken in city. So this way you can find the location of any photo on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.